Another application extension for Google Chrome is called Form Publisher. This app converts Google Form responses into an organized and printable PDF or Word document. To look at a Google form, first download the Form Publisher app add-on. Make sure your form is ready to go and hit Get Started. Okay, well, it should already be there. It's going to ask you to create a template, whether you want a Word document, spreadsheet, or Google Slide as your output for the responses. As we're waiting here, it's going to mention some markers and things like that. You can name whatever you want the template to be, whatever you want it to be, however you want it to look. This is kind of what one of the looks will be like with the responses in it. But we're just going to hit Next. It's going to ask where is it going to send to. We're going to make it a folder in your Drive, but you can also make a PDF for future if you want it non-editable. Okay, and once we have this set up, we can also have it sent to somebody, maybe the parents, if it was some sort of form like that, or maybe to the student itself, or to a teacher or staff member. Right now, I'm the only sharing is whether I can end it. I could put another person on here, edit it, or whatever I could. But we're just going to hit Next because we just want to see how this can work. The Form Publisher can work. Once this all gets created, it'll let you try the form. So I'm just going to give a basic form with my name. And fill out the basics of this form. This only has a few questions. We'll say, oh, no, that date already happened. And submit. At this point, we can go to our Google Drive into an output folder that's been created by Form Publisher. And although it might not be there immediately, soon the results should pop up in this folder that we can see of the form that I just submitted. Should pop up. Oh, right. So we're going to check where the form is and see if it's popped up in our Google form. Right, there it is. There it is. Form Publisher's output folder. We can name that a different thing later. But the form that I just filled out has now been created into a document that has all the information in one place. For example, this is a makeup test, so I can make this into a hall pass for my student where it has all the information here that I need to see. But we can use this in different cases, like maybe if we did a Google Forms quiz, that we have it all for it, or what I use it for is a student information sheet. I could print this all out and have a hard copy of all these files in a nice printable format, which is, I think, pretty cool.